Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to turn photos into cartoons with AI. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So there are tools that can help you create or turn photos into a cartoon, but today I'm going to introduce you to ChatGPT. All you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and install this one. This is what it looks like. Now you can create an account using your Google account, Gmail, and password. Once done, then it will show you this interface. What you're going to do here is you have to attach the photo and then enter a correct or right prompt for that. So this is what it looks like. Let me create an account first or log in if you have already. So once you have connected your account right here, and then you can now start asking for prompts or generate some images here. So for example, I'm going to turn this picture photo into AI or cartoon AI. So I'm going to add this prompt right here. Please turn this photo into a cartoon and so on. Press enter, wait for a couple of seconds. Now you can generate more images by adding prompts. You can add another prompt here like you want to change the color of the hair or the facial feature or whatsoever. You just have to add the correct prompt right here. And you should also emphasize that the prompt is still related to the picture above. So here it is, and I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.